you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back now. And if you read that title, then you already know what we're getting into today. So today's video is I'm gonna show y'all how to lay this wig, y'all. It's really easy for beginners using Got2b glue, of course. All the things that you already have at your house, or you should at least have. So we're gonna start by spraying the hairline with the Got2b glue using our edge brush, pushing that back just to get the Got2b spray into the hairline real good. You're gonna do 2 coats like I did, like you see there. Y'all see what I'm doing. Just keep brushing it back, making it even so it can lay flat as possible. So now we about to go in with the blow dryer, and we're going to use it on a cool setting, the coolest setting you have, and go over that hairline so it can get tacky. You don't want to dry the Got2bFreeze Spray. You just want to get it tacky so that the lace from the closure or the frontal sticks to your head. So just use the cool setting, go back and forth, touch it a little bit just to make sure it ain't dry but it's tacky. So once you get the Got2b spray as tacky as you would like, we're gonna go ahead and get the wig and we're gonna put it on there, and we're gonna place it right where we sprayed that Got2b spray, and then we're gonna shift it and fix it and make sure it's laid as flat as possible, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So once you get the wig on your head and you get it placed where you would like it, you want to go over the hairline and gently press down to where you sprayed that Got2bFreeze Spray, just so you can get it adhered to the hairline. And then I sprayed some more on my edge brush, and I just dabbed it. I didn't brush it, I dabbed it on the hairline, on the lace part, so that it could get in there in those knots and in those holes, those grids I mean to say. And you just want to dab it in there, make sure you get it in there so that it sticks as long as possible. So now I'm using my edge brush to just fix my baby hairs, to make sure that no flyaways are there. Just making sure that the closure lace is laying flat where I sprayed the spray. There is no peeling back, because y'all know sometimes the lace can start to roll back. You don't want that. So I'm just using my blow dryer. I'm using it on a warm setting now so that it can dry the lace to the spray. So I'm going in with my blow dryer to do that, and I'm also using my edge brush just to keep those baby hairs in place. So after you make sure you got it all dry and all that stuff, you want to go in with an elastic band or an edge scarf. So I don't have the elastic band, but I do have an edge scarf from the beauty supply store. It was about $1.99. So I'm just fold it real thin and lay it on my closure hairline like so, tied up real tight so that that lace can melt into the scalp. And once you put it on there, we're gonna let it sit. I was in a rush this morning, so I let mine sit probably for about 10 or 15 minutes. But it's up to you. It's totally your preference how long you can wait. I was just in a rush. So while we have our edge scarf on, getting that hairline melted, we're gonna go ahead and use our wig brush and brush out any tangles in the hair, because now we're about to get ready to start styling and flat ironing. So I'm using my wide tooth comb to go over the top part of the closure with the flat iron. I have it up on 400, and I'm using this so it can get the top of this closure as flat as possible, because I do have 2 braids, and sometimes my hair that is not braided in the middle of my head, if y'all understand what I'm saying, it can cause my wig to look a little hell mini. So I don't like that. So I'm just gonna go in with the flat iron and just get that all flat, and then I'm gonna work my way around my head, flat ironing, so that my hair isn't going every which way. Y'all know how bobs do sometimes. So once you complete your whole head, flat iron it, go through with the wig brush again, just to brush it out like I'm doing, just to make sure it's a lot of body, it's no tangles, you got every piece of hair that you could get, that you could see. And we're gonna go over the top part where the closure is, just to make sure it's flat, with the Got2bFreeze Spray and the flat iron. After everything is nice and flat, you have everything styled how you want it, we're gonna go ahead and take off that edge scarf and see what that lace is looking like. So we're gonna slowly pull it back, because you don't want to snatch it off and end up ripping your lace or pulling the lace off. You know, you work too hard to get it stuck on there just for you to snatch it off, baby. So pull it off, look at your baby hairs, adjust them, fix them if they just so happen to mess up a little bit, and you should be good to go, my love. And when you finish, this is what your baby hairs should be looking like, or similar to. This is just a regular closure from the beauty supply store, and I finessed it the best way I knew how, with no stocking cap. This is the end of this video, y'all. I love each and every one of y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace out.